What's up, kings and queens? It's your girl Kayla Doris, and welcome back to Kicking It with Kay. If you have not done so, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Also, make sure that you tap the notification bell so that you're notified when I upload videos every Monday and Friday. So in today's episode, I'm going to be demonstrating how I did my passion twist for the first time. I've never done them on my own hair before, and I had some time with this quarantine going on. So we're going to jump straight into the video. So I already pre-washed, conditioned, and parted my hair. Actually had my mom do my parts because I suck at parting my own hair. So I parted my hair and just used the rubber bands to keep them parted. And I am actually going to be just putting some jam on the ends of my hair so that it'll actually blend with the hair that I'm adding a little bit easier. So I'm going to be taking 2 strands of the pre-stretched wave braid hair that I had, and I'm just going to separate the ends of the hair. That way it's a little more natural and it'll give it more of a natural finish versus more of a sleek finish. I wanted it to look a little more natural. So once I have the hair separated, I'm just going to take my crochet needle and I'm going to actually insert it through the part that I have underneath the rubber band. And you're going to just make sure that the hook is closed when inserting it. It's fine if it's open once it gets on the other side. Make sure the hook is open once you get it through the other side so that you can hook the hair. So now I'm just hooking my hair onto the needle. I'm just going to pull the hair through with the crochet needle, making sure that I have a loop on the other side. This one actually ended up being a little bit difficult to pull through. Kind of got a little messy in the moment. However, I was able to recover it eventually. But you want to make sure that you have a clean loop of the braid hair so that you can pull one side of the hair through to make a knot. Now try when pulling the braid hair through not to actually grab your natural hair. I did this by mistake and I had to go back and actually pull my natural hair through. It is kind of difficult when you're doing it by yourself to not pull your natural hair and tie it. However, you want to make sure that you're only knotting the braid hair. Try and get it as tight as possible. Then you're just going to split your natural hair down the middle and begin twisting the hair. Now you want to make sure that while twisting, you're as consistent as possible and twisting as tightly as possible because the hair is actually going to loosen up over time. And you don't want it to loosen up at the root. It's okay if it loosens up down the twist. However, you want to make sure that it's not going to slip or fall out. So just make sure that you're being very consistent with the way that you're twisting and making sure that your hair will blend. Now, I did not dip my hair at the end because I did separate the ends of this hair before and I wanted more of a natural finish. I wasn't concerned about dipping the hair to get it to be sleek. I just wanted a more natural finish. Alright guys, that's about it for today. I will list the details of each step in the description box down below. Please feel free to make any comments or suggestions on how I can make these neater and or tighter for the next time that I try this out. Again, it was my first time ever attempting this, so I just wanted to share my experience with you all and show you how I did. Again, if you are not a subscriber, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Also, make sure that